Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are back down in Blackfoot today. Gonna roll in here, see if we can get some work done on the MG. Not sure where the day is gonna lead, but yeah, excited to see what happens. So the plan for this morning is to cut the nose off of this car and work on putting a new one on. As you can tell, this is completely full of body filler. I mean, really full. So she needs some love.
We're better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon, loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. 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 Creeping through the shadows and the corners of your mind.
This thing was a mess. Look at that. It's been wrecked a couple of times, at least on the front. I mean, it's just folded up. So now the next challenge is going to be having to come through and cut all of these spot welds on the inside, so I can get all of this garbage off, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I can get the new nose cone kind of fitted into place today, but we'll see. I mean, I want it to come together right, so I'm not going to rush it.
With the windows, I run but I don't hide. I hear the call of the wild, whispering the name. No, I can't be tamed. My heart belongs to the night. I'm a lone wolf. 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 I'm a lone wolf.
place I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours, stone cold inside. Banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
So all the bad stuff is now cut out. Gonna start working on making sure everything's mocked up right so that the new stuff can kind of get welded in place as far as the new nose cone and this new piece here. So that's kind of the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff the nose cone on here one more time. Just make sure everything fits exactly like I want it to before I cut.
Chasing whatever kills for so long. I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours.
Well, another end to a great day. Got quite a bit accomplished. I was able to get that nose cone kind of fit in place where it is close to where it needs to be. So hopefully over the next couple of days I'm able to, get some final fitment in there. I've got some fabrication to do on that inner fender, as well as putting some new nuts in and things like that. But, I'm really, really excited with the progress. Cutting the nose off of that car was a lot of fun, and it revealed a lot about the history of the vehicle. So, pretty cool. Anyway, overall, I would say that was a really good day. Guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. I know I say that a lot, but I really mean it. And I appreciate the support. So, look forward to seeing you guys next time.